everyone. Let's understand the differences between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis is formation of sperms which occurs in human males, whereas oogenesis is formation of oocyte or ovum which occurs in case of human females. Spermatogenesis begins at puberty, whereas oogenesis begins at the embryonic life itself. Spermatogenesis can be continuous till the lifelong, whereas oogenesis cannot continue till lifelong. It can occur only up to a certain age, and that phase will be called as menopause. In case of spermatogenesis, entire process occurs in testes itself, that is just one organ is involved. In case of oogenesis, two organs are involved. Some parts of meiosis occurs in ovaries, but some other parts of meiosis occurs in fallopian tube. Spermatogenesis is a continuous process. There are no breaks in between, whereas oogenesis is a discontinuous process. There are breaks in between. The first break is at diplotin stage of prophase 1 of meiosis 1, and the second break is at metaphase 2 of meiosis 2. Spermatogenesis के रिजल्ट जो मियोसिस के रिजल्ट है 4 डॉटर सेल्स बनती है, वी ऑल नो दैट, एंड ऑल द 4s आर स्पर्म्स. इन केस ऑफ oogenesis, meiosis के प्रोडक्ट 4 डॉटर सेल्स है, बट इन दिस केस ओनली 1 ovum is formed. Rest of them polar bodies are formed. If you look into the NCERT, in spermatogenesis, 2 times differentiation has been shown. First differentiation is from spermatogonia to primary spermatocyte, and in the last from spermatid to spermatozoa. Whereas in case of oogenesis, just one time differentiation occurs, that is from oogonia to the primary oocyte. If you can remember any more differences, do let me know in the comment section. I hope the topic is clear. Thank you.